I hear you right there. Which one you get? That squirrel, that boy, he's right there too. That boy's right there too. That's old times right there, ain't it, Red Headed Woodpecker? Here comes that squirrel again. Here comes that squirrel. There's that squirrel right there. Come back again. Don't let that squirrel run you off now. Don't let that squirrel run you off now, Red Ginger. Oh, that's Mr. Ginger. Oh, that's Mr. Ginger. Oh, red-headed right there. And I gotta run that squirrel off again. Squirrel. Squirrel. Lockjaw. Let the bird come down here, Lockjaw. Who is that? Who is that? You mean to run the squirrels off? Come on. Come on down here on the boat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hurry up for the bird. For the squirrels. Squirrel done run you off, didn't they? There's two squirrels over there gonna run you off now. That squirrel right there gonna run you off right there now. Squirrel right there. I'm gonna come over here a little closer so I can see you. I'm coming a little closer so I can see you. I'm coming closer so I can see you. Yeah, coming closer right here so I can see you. You like them things? Can I stick my hand out there to you? Come here. Well, come here. I hear you up there. Come on, I can hear you up there with those squirrels right there. Those squirrels right there. I'm just about to touch that squirrel. I'm about to goose that squirrel in the butt. I'm about to goose that squirrel in the butt. Come here, redhead. Come here. Come here. Come here, where you at? Come here. Come on. Woodpecker, come on. Redhead, come on. I hear you right there. I hear you. Come here. You mean to run that squirrel off again for you? Yeah, I can't see. You got to come here so I can see before I run the squirrel off. A squirrel right there. That's that squirrel right there. That's Lockjaw right there. You can see his things hanging down right there. I hear you, but I don't see you nowhere. Come on. Come on, you ain't got to be a chicken pox. These old chicken pox. You look at, see, that's, see right there, that's Lockjaw right there now. That's Lockjaw right there now. Lockjaw. Stand up so everybody can see your thing. Get up so everybody can see your things. Get up, everybody can see your thing. What is it, Lockjaw? There are other squirrels over there messing around in the tree over there. Come here. Come here. I can't hardly see today. Come on. Come on, get down there. Stand up, everybody can see you. Okay, I'm gonna back up to right here. Woodpecker. Redhead, come here. The squirrels run the red-headed woodpecker off. Another squirrel up there, he's playing around. Another squirrel's messing around. You just gonna eat all of them up. You ain't care about nobody else, did you? I'm trying to look at you, and you don't want to cooperate. Squirrel. All right, that's lockjaw, and there's another squirrel right over here in this tree messing around. They run the bird off. I don't see the bird. I can hear the bird right there somewhere, but I just don't see him. My eyes are hurting this morning. I went to bed at 5:30 this morning and I just woke up. I don't know, 8:30, 9 o'clock, I just woke up. I'm trying to look at you. Come here. I can hear you up there. I hear that woodpecker, but I don't see him. Woodpecker, he's done gone off down the road somewhere. Come on, if you're gonna come back down here, I'm going back inside. I ain't got time to mess with you. My eyes hurt, I can't see. I hear that woodpecker, but I just don't see him. I'm gonna walk away and see if that woodpecker will come back. There's that other squirrel right there. All right, I'm gonna come back up over here. I don't see you. I don't know where you're at. I can hear you up there in that tree. Come on back down, wherever you're at. I don't see you. I can hear you jabbering away like old jabberbox. I hear that bird, but I just don't see him. My eyes hurt. I cannot hardly see. Stop this video.